And this is a new interesting Yucon based on a Renault Traffic chassis. And going around, we are looking at the Yucon 51FB with this price of just 51,000, and it's just 5 meter long. It's lower than 2 meters with a tonnage of 3.0. And well, let's check the interior. So fold down beds for sleeping 2 people. Actually, this is pretty large. And then we have the fridge and good layout of the cookware, but I don't get if do you have hot water. Probably yes. Then if we get to the back, we can check. Yes, we have a water pump, but probably you can install it. And also sliding out, we have a deep cabinet right up here and a deep cabinet right up there. And also the table that can be mounted in the front, but this is actually fixed, so you can't change the actual size of your boot. And now we have the complete visible pop-up roof that goes up, and you have a standing height without any problems. We get additional 2 sleeping for 2 people. Well, this is now actually pretty nice with the standard Renault Traffic van. And getting out, we can get a better look at the pop-up roof and all around to understand how this looks now when we have the pop-up roof open. Nice, pretty